Hello, everybody, and welcome to a new episode of AI Companions. So today we're going to talk about Wonda VR, and it's wondavr.com. So I'm going to log in. So I logged in already, and this is a demo space. We can just click on it. So Wonda VR is a platform where you can create an AI companion with very simple prompting, and you only have 3 free spaces. So I only have one left, and I'm gonna create one right now, and I'm gonna show you how it works. I'm not gonna select a template. We're gonna do it from scratch. I'm not gonna choose the AI sandbox because we're gonna try everything from scratch. But I'm gonna create an AI companion in one of these rooms. So I'm gonna choose the gallery room. And so once this is created, you can actually move in the space. Okay. Oops. Yeah, you can also teleport. I actually teleported by accident. And so you can also move with your desktop keys, and also you can move within your headset. But we are in the demo, or in the editing mode, and so we need to create an avatar. And so this is the AI character. We can actually choose a character from here, but I just want to have you also choose something else. So we can go to Ready Player Me. If you don't know Ready Player Me, it's a platform for avatars. So you can create an avatar for yourself for many VR platforms like Frame VR, for example. Or you can also use it here, and you can choose your own AI companion. And so I'm gonna click here. I also have it. I think it's this one. So I'm gonna click, and then it's gonna open. Yeah, so it opened it for me. Actually, you don't need to log in for Ready Player Me. And so I'm gonna choose like how it looks, the skin color, and so on. So you feel free to follow this and change it. I'm not gonna do many changes because this is just for demonstration. So you can go there, and then you can create your own avatar. But I'm happy with this one, and so it's gonna create this .glb link where you can just copy and go back to Wanda, and then you can just paste it and then import avatar. And so yeah, so this is the one that we have created. So I'm gonna click on it, and then it will be loading now, and it will be inserted in this space. So I'm gonna take it, and then I'm gonna place it. I'm also gonna make it bigger, and I can use these gizmos to place it. Okay. Yeah, so now we have the avatar. We also need to change the name because, as you can see, it's best practice and also recommended by the website to change the name. So I usually use Alexa as a neutral name. And so, yeah, so I've named her Alexa. And also there are some animations. I'd rather make her happy. Okay, and I'm gonna edit the AI prompt and voice. So I clicked here, and it's gonna open us the AI prompt and voice. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, just hide this. We have the character here, and once you click on Alexa, you will see this. Okay, you can actually talk, either speak or talk with Alexa, but we don't have yet. I think we can talk to her, but I need to edit her because I teach let's say I teach grammar. Okay, so I need to put a prompt so that I can actually kind of customize her to whatever I want. And so in order to do the system prompt, you need to start with the hashtag, and then you need to align her, and we're going to test this. So you are a grammar teacher focusing on level 1, in which you teach the present simple and the present continuous. Okay, I want to add something. I haven't tested it. I'm not sure if I have tested it before, but use the holding when students have questions. Well, let's see. I'm happy with the avatar. She is multilingual. She can also speak other languages. I think so far I want to just to speak English. Um, so, I mean, you can choose any of these. For me, I'm happy with this. And yeah, okay. So let's see. I'm gonna save. And then hi. Okay. What?
How are you today? What brings you here?
Yeah, let me just share sound. Okay. I'm gonna say hi again. I'm gonna raise sound. Okay. I like to know if you can help me with understanding the difference. Let's see. With the difference between the present simple and the present tense. No. Okay.
Of course, the present simple describes habits or facts like, I eat breakfast every day. The present continuous describes actions happening right now, like, I am eating breakfast now. Does that help? Would you like more examples?
Yeah, I don't know the difference, like when I should use the present simple and when I should use the present continuous.
No problem. Let's break it down. The present simple is for routines or facts, while the present continuous. Great question. Use the present simple for regular actions, like I play soccer on weekends. Use the present continuous for actions happening now, like I am playing soccer right now. Does that make sense? Want to practice more?
Yeah, I'm still confused. What's the meaning of regular actions? I don't understand.
Regular actions are things you do often or repeatedly, like daily routines. For example, I brush my teeth every morning is a regular action. It happens regularly. Does that help clarify it a bit more?
Yeah, it seems this doesn't work. I'm not sure what happened. Okay. Yeah, so you see now how like she responded to my questions, and I can also edit that and I can make it something else. Let's, for example, storytelling. And this is how we have it. Okay, so let's give it a try. Hi, how are you?
It seems like you might be thinking about something. Is there a specific aspect of Macbeth you'd like to discuss?
Yeah, so see how she changed from the topic about present simple to the topic about Macbeth. And let's say one of my famous quotations that I love was story time. Yeah, so I just forgot to show you because I was just trying to work some issues. So I went back to so I was here. I was here in the gallery room where I edit the character. And then I went back to the room where I added the avatar because I wanted to test it, and then I hit launch. Okay, so launch means that you finished creating the avatar and you're just about to send the link to the students, but actually there are a lot of things that you can actually do with your students will be explained in subsequent videos. Okay, so I happen to be challenged by this because every VR platform has their own way of navigation. So in order to go left, I have to go right on my keyboard, which sometimes can be annoying. Anyways, you just need to kind of adjust to the way you are using your mouse. Okay, so yeah, so I need to click on her okay, so that I can talk with her. So I'm interested to ask her a question because I'm a big fan of Shakespeare. Explain what is meant by sorry sight, which was a famous quotation in Macbeth, and which scene it occurred in and why it was said. Okay.
The term sorry sight appears in Act 4, Scene 3 of Macbeth. It refers to Malcolm's reaction upon seeing Macduff's grief over the slaughter of his family. Malcolm expresses sorrow for the tragic sight of Macduff's pain, highlighting the devastating consequences of ambition and tyranny. This moment underscores the theme of loss and the human cost of Macbeth's actions.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Like when you have a character that can give you interesting information and exact information about something that you're asking about, and it can also help you. Like let's say if you're teaching literature and you want the AI to help you with answers. Uh, I feel like I chose an animation for Alexa that makes it feel like she's crazy and she's talking to herself, and she's moving without actually like any need to move. But anyways, this is how you can create an avatar, and it's very simple. You can choose any of the avatars. You can also check. Let's check the um, the sandbox. Let's see where I put it here. Yeah, maybe I can go back because I want to go back to the sandbox and then see. Yeah, maybe I can. So this is the gallery room. I just want to show you something. Um, yeah. So unfortunately, if you want to create a free account, the only thing is to delete something because you only have 3 sandboxes. So I'm gonna create a new experience, and I'm gonna show you. Let's say AI job interview simulator, AI language cafe. Let's see AI language cafe, and let's see how these were created. Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna click here on.
Hola.
Oh, he speaks. Oh, he speaks Spanish. Okay. So it's multilingual, man, well-sounded. Okay. So you can choose whatever. I mean, it should match. Yeah, the character and your role. So you are an expert Spanish teacher who loves to role play with students by taking on different. I mean, we can take examples from this. The scenario: you are a waiter and I am a customer of a restaurant. So, because you as a teacher, you are the one who gets access to this. So maybe there is like a scenario that you put in the learning management system, and then you can do the prompting for that. And also, you can ask AI to begin the conversation in your language by greeting the user or the student, and welcoming them to the language cafe. Only then continue your sentence by translating your message in English. If I ask something in English, politely translate it in your language and then answer the question. And then you can test it, and that's it. And also, this is an AI character that was also made by Ready Player. And so we can change this and we can play with it, but I'd like you to play with it. And this is how you create AI. Yeah, I probably would learn Spanish from this guy. Yeah, so you can either click on the avatar to start discussing. So it's also interesting, and we can learn that from going to the edit, that you can add a page, you can add something like instructions to students so that they wouldn't actually be confused. You can also add a button. So it's called presentation, okay? And also you can link it to a video. So click on the edit button next to the character name. Edit this scenario to practice another language. So this is actually for us, so that we can have it as like an example. But for students, when you share it with them, they can't do that actually. Okay. You can also click here. If you did like conversation with this avatar, you can also download it. You can export the conversation log. Like if you're doing research and you want to get like more information about interaction with an AI avatar, you can export the conversation log, and it would be a great experience for you to understand how AI, like for example, when I was doing the scaffolding, I didn't feel much like it was scaffolding things with me like we do in the classroom. But this can be a good idea of how AI, when we use the prompting, how it can be how it can follow pedagogical frameworks. Maybe I should have given more details and more examples so that it can follow suit. So thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll be putting more ones. Thank you.